here at Thorpe Park again today. Second time this year? Yeah, second time this year. It's very sunny, it's very busy. We got here early, so we're in here first, but now everyone's running in front. So, expecting a busy day, but we're going straight to Stealth. That's, I want to try and get a couple of goals on that before the queues get busy. So let's go. Had 2 goes on Stealth, still on a 5-minute wait. Really good, got front and back row. I am here with Stevie.
Hi.
Alan's geek shotting over there. Can you get him? Oh, there he is. Yeah, 2 really good goes. He did break down intermittently when we went back on the second go. Bit of a queue building up now, but it's always as good as ever. A little bit of Stealth. So now we're going to go up to Swarm. Did you enjoy your front and back on the old Swarmy stealth thing, I would say? It's just loud music that you get on the way round.
It's like a swarm coming in towards us here now. It's just hundreds and hundreds of people.
It did break down, so I think everyone's realised it's open again now and might come over. But
and there's probably still people making their way into the park.
Yeah, probably. But
it was ace though.
Yeah, love it. Front and back row. Nice, good way to start the day.
I think no matter what else happens today, we're all right now.
Yeah. Swarm and rush and will be good.
Yeah.
Stevie to walk on.
I can't refuse to walk on, but it's not right.
Easy money.
It looks so gentle, but it's really not.
Vlogception. Stevie, you survived.
Hi. I did. It wasn't as bad as last time. I still screamed though.
Yeah, I did. Woohoo! Alan was silent as normal.
It smells like kebabs around here.
It's probably
burritos down there.
Yeah. We've got a 15-minute wait for Inferno, so we're going to have a go on that.
1 hour later.
So the 15-minute wait as we got into the queue and walked to the point we are now has gone up to 40 minutes. You've got to love the Thorpe Park queue times. But we should get some good shots on the ride as we wait here. We just got off Nemesis, last back row I think we got, row 6, but it wasn't a 40-minute wait, it was about half an hour, which was good, being attacked by flies. So the shortest queue at the moment is Rush, so we're going to get over to that. But Stealth's down, which is causing a bit of a knock-on effect on all the other rides. But I love Rush, so let's have a go. Oh, we're here with Chloe as well. Queue times at the moment are a bit ridiculous, so we've come in for a pit stop. We've got via Alan's social media. Did you enjoy Rush?
Yeah, it was really good, wasn't it?
It's really high, wasn't it?
Yeah, I said to you, didn't I? That last big swing felt like it was
Yeah.
wasn't it?
But always love it. Loads of airtime and all that stuff. But we're gonna have a pit stop and then see what the queue times are like. So it's another first for us. We're going to go on Vortex. I've never been on anything like this before, but it looks like a Rush Mark II, possibly. We don't know. Actually, I think I've been to something like this, like one of these dodgy fairgrounds that you get. But hey, it looks fun. But we've had a couple of beers. I'm being attacked by a dragonfly, and a child. I got attacked by a child as well, which was like really crazy. Are we all looking forward to Rush?
Yes. Yeah.
No, Vortex.
Yes.
I always do this. I said stealth and swarm, and it's getting quite a thing with my vlogs that I call rides, and then I'll call ride. But I'm rambling, so let's go on Vortex. So did we enjoy Vortex?
Yeah, it was good that.
First time?
It's the first time on that one. A similar one at Flamingo Land.
First time?
First time.
Did you like it?
It was fun. But I want to do it again in the same day.
Oh, right, okay. Did you like it?
I love it. I haven't done it though like 10 years ago, but it's still a good clock ride.
Yeah. It was, I thought it was better. And it's not as intense as Rush, but it was more fun. And it was loads of airtime, really liked it. I'd go on it again. It's like half an hour queue now, so but yeah, I really enjoyed that. If it queue dips before we go, I think I'll go on again before we leave today. So I really enjoyed that.
Oh yeah.
Vortex. So the initial plan today was to do first times on different rides. So we've done Vortex. What else have we been on that we've never been on before? Well, we're just about to go to the Rapids, which we've never been on before, at Thorpe Park.
I think that's it for
Vortex, wasn't it? So initially we were going to go and tile the wave. The queues got bigger and bigger as the day progressed, but we have literally just walked through Amity and seen a boat just get off, and they were absolute, well, their t-shirts were black and they were see-through. That's how wet they were. Obviously that's not true, but you get my meaning. So we're going to go on the Rapids because we won't get as wet, and it's only a 20-minute wait, and then we'll see what happens, and then maybe if the queue dies down we'll get on Tidal Wave, because I have got a spare t-shirt, so and I do want to go on it, but I really don't want to get wet. But what's the point in going on it if you're not going to get wet? So this is what we're going to go on next. It looks a bit more rapidy than the Towers version, so it should be good. Let's go and get wet. None of us are wet.
I got a little patch here.
My back's quite wet. Got a wet back.
I got patch.
Right, I've sweated more than... It's a good little ride. It's better than the Towers.
It's definitely better than the Towers.
Definitely better than Towers. It's very rapidy. You think, oh, this is in, and then you get nothing. Fun ride. It was a walk on. Let's just walk. So it's a 2-hour queue now for Tidal Wave. It was going to be one of our, never done before, but I'm not waiting 2 hours to get wet because it's just up and down. One day we will ride Tidal Wave for sure. So we're going to head over to Swarm. Expect a 45-minute wait. It is worth it, between half an hour and 40 minutes. We do like with Swarm, and then we'll see what happens from there. It's a glorious day. Park is rammed, but we're having a good time. 45 minutes. We are walking through the extended queue line, I believe it is, because we're going to go over a bridge in a minute. But it seems fairly empty at the moment, so we'll keep you posted. Yeah, so we hit some extended queue line. Never been in this area before. Normally you go into the ride area from that way, but we're going over this bridge, so it's all the way around here. So yeah, it probably is a 45-minute ride. Alan's broke the ride. You did. We got in the queue and then it stopped. And then we've got all this to get through.
Flying now, look at it.
Yeah, it is moving now. Testing
Trains
it.
are going round, the queue's moving on. We got it.
A big hour that we waited for that. It was worth it in the end. We all did front row, which was great. I can't remember if I've done front row actually.
No.
Yeah, I've done front row.
Yeah, I've been on the front row before. First time for a while.
On the left.
I can't remember.
Yeah. So we went on the left hand side, so we got a bit the extra turn, which was really cool. Enjoyed it. Not a 1 hour wait, but I do love Swarm, so we had to go on it before we left today. We're going to head over to Stealth again, because it did break down, but it's back open. I've seen it tested, so we're going to have a look what the queue is like for that. Okay, so we've left, I can't remember what we've filmed, so I think we've said we've been on Swarm. We went for another drink. Me and Chloe are going to go on Samurai.
Yep.
Another first for me. So that should be good. Be like going in a washing machine. My hair. We're going to walk with the Colossus here. Alan and Stevie don't fancy it, so we're going to give this a go. 25-minute wait, but the app today has been a bit untrustworthy, so we're not convinced that's going to be the case. Bit of Colossus for you. So we'll let you know what we think when we get off it. So what do you reckon, Chloe?
I thought it was right. It's a good ride.
Doesn't seem there's that much movement on it, on the spinning.
No, it really does depend on the weight.
We've just rode, Ryan? I don't know. It's been really weird because I've just bumped into a friend that I used to go to school with all the way in London, and they lives in Warsaw, which is really, really strange. Anyway, Samurai.
Meh.
Nah. Yeah, it was very meh. few spins on it. Nowhere near as good as Vortex and Rush, but I'm glad I went on it just to experience it. But was it worth? Was it 25 minutes?
I don't think it was 25 minutes.
Nah.
I think it was 25 minutes to skip people on and off.
Yeah.
It's kind of a ride that I would personally do if there was nothing left to do.
Yeah, which is kind of what was today.
Yeah.
So yeah, I reckon we waited about 20 minutes for it, which wasn't too bad. So we're going to go meet with Alan and Stevie again, and then see what we're going to do for the last hour. We said we weren't going on another ride.
Going on another ride?
We're going on another ride. We're in no rush to go on another ride. Yeah, see what I did there? Yeah, we've had 6 pints of stuff, so this is my This might be. We've had some beers, but we can't turn down a 20-minute wait on Rush.
Nah,
we cannot turn her down.
Not when it's right next to the bar.
Why wouldn't you?
Everything else is like, the weight's gone down a bit, but it's quite far away from the pub now.
I mean, I was quite happy to do a 30-minute wait for Colossus, but
I ain't going on no Colossus.
The guys don't want to go on Colossus.
No.
So we're going on this. So that brings our end to our day at Thorpe Park. It's been a great day. Standing in the overlook of Shark Hotel, which is over there. It's been great hanging out with these guys as normal. Chloe and Stevie having
They're doing the Thorpe Shark boogie.
I'd like to say that they haven't been drinking. We have.
We've had a lot more to drink.
No drink needed.
No drink. But they loving the Thorpe Shark music. But yeah, it's been a great day. We've gotten everything that we wanted to really, and a bit more. It's been really busy. We do love Thorpe Park, and not sure when we're back. Probably September when we come back for the Pleasure Beach Experience event. But yeah, it's been a great day, and I hope you've enjoyed watching along. So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you again soon. See you later.